Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the IG Academy Learn How to Trade app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. IG Academy is an educational trading app created by IG Group to help beginners and intermediate traders learn the fundamentals of financial markets. It offers structured courses covering Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, risk management, technical analysis, and trading psychology. The app is available on both iOS and Android and is designed as a free learning platform separate from IG's trading services. The app's main feature is its lesson-based structure. Users progress through modules that include videos, interactive charts, quizzes, and simple explanations of complex trading concepts. It also provides real-world examples, practice tasks, and end-of-chapter tests to help reinforce learning. IG Academy aims to make trading education accessible and reduce the learning curve for new traders. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean layout, easy-to-understand lessons, and high-quality educational content backed by a reputable trading firm. The app helps beginners build confidence before entering live markets and offers a solid foundation for anyone wanting to understand how trading works. However, there are some drawbacks. The content is introductory, so advanced traders may find the material limited. Some users also mention that quizzes can feel repetitive, and deeper strategy training requires moving to IG's full platform or external resources. Since it is an educational app, it does not provide real trading tools or advanced market analysis features. In summary, the IG Academy app may be worth using if you want structured, beginner-friendly trading education, clear explanations, and free access to professional learning material. However, if you are already an experienced trader or want advanced strategy training, the app alone might not be enough for your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.